I guess I mean you were shutting your ears because you felt the thump of the beat, the percussion.
Yes.
Did you learn an instrument? Like
Did I learn an
yeah,
instrument?
try
I
maybe.
tried. I
Which one
tried.
was this?
But as you see, my talent is not there.
Clearly not percussion.
Yeah.
No string instrument, nothing.
No, I like acoustic guitar, but
Alright.
I'm not that good. But
Now, I guess like Krishika mentioned, was it like very easy for you to just sign the film? Listening to the character, she's from New York, she comes here to Mumbai. Instant, or you took?
it wasn't that made me want to sign it. It was actually
Of course the role.
story. No, not the role. It
No?
was
The story.
story of these street players. So for me, it was all about hope, as you said. So I got that right away when I heard the story. And I remember sitting there listening to it, and there's not so many films that you come across that actually touch your heart and resonate with your soul and what you like believe in and what you feel life should be like for whatever people, or the way life should be like in general. So when I heard this story, I remember leaving, and I told my manager, Fiona, I'm like, oh my God, just tell them yes now. Why are we leaving? Why did you say you'll tell them later or talk to them later? Like, just say yes. She's like, no, just think about it. I'm like, I thought about it. I was like, were you there? Were you in the room? Were you listening to this beautiful story? So it was the story, that soul of the story. Yes, I was, I always say every day, I am a blessed human being. I'm standing here, I get to be a part of so many amazing things. But when something like this comes along, I really tell God, thank you. And thank you for thinking of me and having me be a part of this beautiful film. Because I think it's one of those that really touch your heart and stay with you forever. So thank you. I thank you. Because when I'm old and I'm dying and I'm like, oh my God, I did this film called Banjo. It was beautiful. It's going to be there forever, and I'll get to watch it 100 times before I die. So it's a beautiful film. I love it. It's beautiful.
So Nargis, welcome back to India. Right, yeah. Have you no questions for you? So how's your experience shooting with Tesh and Ravi?
It's always weird. It's all quiet. How was my experience? I think I had an amazing experience. It was something really different because I think since coming to India, I never really got to see inside of India or Mumbai because I came here doing a film and I was in like this little bubble. I didn't have friends or family to show me around. So I think when I shot this film, I got to the soul of Mumbai. I got to see places I would have never been able to see on my own, and I don't think people would have taken me to certain areas to show me those areas. Also to hear Marathi, to taste the food, I would have never had that chance. So I think it was such a beautiful opportunity to be a part of this film in so many different ways. And once again, all I can say is I'm super blessed.
Nargis, yeah, hi. So good to have you. And of course, we love Ritesh's avatar in the movie, but we love you as well.
Thanks.
So good to have you back, and we all are looking forward to Banjo. I'm really sorry about this, but I have to ask you. So ever since you left, there were speculations that...
I knew it. एक तो पूछेगा आज ये सवाल.
I said sorry
आज
already.
आपको मेल आया होगा कि आज बैंजो के ट्रेलर लॉन्च के लिए जाना है.
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
Sorry already. Please
मैं क्या
let
बोल
me
रहा हूँ?
finish. Please.
दीदी मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? मेरी बात तो सुनो. अच्छा पूछ लो. मैं तुमको माफ करता हूँ इनकी ओर से.
Thank you
ठीक है.
so
अगला
much.
सवाल किसका है?
No, please. Please. So ever since you left, there were speculations that it was because of your split with Uday. We would like to know the truth.
Are you serious?
Also,
My God.
Also, please.
I'm a spokesperson. I'll answer this question.
Nargis.
Thank you.
Can I be your assistant, Ritesh?
Nargis.
Listen, your question
please ask your
is
question, sir.
irrelevant, so it's quite sad. I don't think you should continue.
Okay, so but
Arey, so but?
that's really sad. But we would like to know, why were you like hiding your face when you returned? That's
Why
it.
was I hiding my face? Because actually when I travel, I wear a hoodie and a scarf all the time because a lot of people are sick on the airplane, so you get sick all the time, right? So I just stay like that. That's the way I walk around. I always look like that. I guess paparazzi
She comes
just,
to the sets that way.
Should
I
we
do.
medicines की list बताएं?
Yeah.
Ritesh, straight here.
Said in the industry that you're very choosy about the films you do. So what was it about this film that really attracted you to the film and made you do the film?
Me, sir?
I said it earlier. I said that it was the story. So there was a lot of soul and depth, and it addressed something that, I thought was really beautiful. And of course, the character fit very well. And I'm sure that's why I was called to hear the story. But the story itself, when you see it, you'll know. It just touches your heart. It's beautiful.
Last
Yeah.
सवाल
Nargis, my question is
एक
to
second,
you.
ये last
yeah, yeah, yeah.
तीन लोग last बोल रहे हैं.
Yeah,
Nargis,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so 1 second.
Yeah.
Last question from
Yeah.
the gentleman who already has the mic. तो
Okay.
हथिया लिया आपने.
Nargis,
Ritesh
my
और-
question is to you.
एक second, कहाँ है?
Sir, सामने ही ऊपर.
किधर?
अरे
ऊपर ऊपर.
अरे सर मैं इनकी बात कर रहा
अच्छा
हूँ.
सर,
लास्ट दो ले लेते हैं,
Yes,
एक
sir.
इनका उसके बाद आपका लेना. यस सर.
रितेश और नरगिस, क्योंकि ये म्यूजिकल बैकग्राउंड है फिल्म का, तो जानना चाहूँगा कि कोई ऐसी अधूरी ख्वाहिश कि कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट आप सीखना चाहते हो, कभी सीख ना पाए हो, ऐसा कोई रिग्रेट आप दोनों से जानना चाहूँगा.
Any regrets of not being able to play an
I
instrument?
mean, for me,
You said the acoustic guitar, right?
yeah, I mean, I tried to play. I regret being really poor growing up, so I couldn't afford to take lessons. So that was really sad because I think playing an instrument is really something beautiful and a great talent. Yes, I didn't have people around me to inspire me either. But now, after my first film, I got inspired to try the acoustic guitar. And it's hard for me, you know, but I still try. I have like 3 of them at home, and I pick it up once in a while.
Nargis, your
There was
question.
one last question that was coming
Yeah.
from.
Yes, sir, I'm here. Nargis, the
किधर हैं
question
आप?
is.
ऊपर.
Yeah, Nargis, the question is
Sir,
to
ऊपर.
you. Yeah.
एक second, sir. वो पूछ रहे हैं एक सवाल. Can we show some like courtesy to the gentleman who's already asking a question? उसके बाद. I know, I get it. Can you just wait for the gentleman to finish his question? Thank you.
Nargis, you wore an Indian attire, a Nawari sari in a Koli tribe. So how was your experience when you shoot? And one more question to both Ritesh and
4 तो
Nargis.
आपने ही पूछ लिए.
सब मैं पूछ लेता हूँ. तो ये बैंजो पे या दोनों ने एक साथ डांस किया है क्या?
Well, I love wearing Indian attire, and I think anytime I get to wear any of it, I'm very excited. And I think I look awesome. Like, I'd wear my Maharashtrian sari all the time if I could, with all that beautiful jewelry. It was gorgeous.
Yes, sir.
And here in this film, Rockstar is Ritesh Deshmukh, you know. Does it remind you of your film, the very first film of yours, or do you think there'll be a comparison between Ritesh and Ranbir Kapoor?
There's no comparison there with the co-actors as well as the film. It's 2 totally different films. Yes, music is a theme in the film, but it's totally different.